Keali'i Reichel.
Mahalo.
Most popular Hawaiian album.
Keali'i Reichel. Keali'i Reichel.
And this year's 1995 Male Vocalist of the Year, Keali'i Reichel.
Looking back upon my life, every door that has led to a different thing, such as being a cultural specialist for a museum, or being a lecturer at a college, or a preschool teacher, each one of these experiences led from one to another for, I think, for a purpose.
Symphony and other top Hawaii artists played the famous Hollywood Bowl.
At the Carnegie Hall, it was absolutely phenomenal. Our culture believes in residual power. All of that power is left there for the next person to soak up, and then when they're done with their performance, leave that power, their power also, and it builds and it builds and it builds. So it didn't really hit me until I actually stepped on stage at Carnegie and at Hollywood Bowl, and it hit me hard. It really did.
And the Nahoku Hanohano Award for Hawaiian Album of the Year goes to
Keali'i Reichel, Keali'i Reichel.
Through the winning, losing, and trying, we'll be together. Grandma would pick me up and then we go to her house. First thing Saturday morning, get up early after we eat koko and cracker. We'll go down Kahakai and go fish. There's lots of coconut trees, and the more it comes, the trade wind comes every day like clockwork, and you can hear the leaves of the trees rustling in that wind. And around the whole house, as was traditional, tea leaf surrounded the house. Nothing quite like it in my life today.